I just got home, and I got a flatface package, like, yeah. So I'm unboxing it, like, because I just sanded my wheels because they kind of broke. So I got a pair of Yetis instead. I wanted to try them out, see if they're any different from the G6X's. Oh, I wish I would have brought something instead of a stupid pen. Go pen, go! Ooh, let's check it. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, spotly thingy. Oh, dude, that's sick. Look at that new flat face sticker. Oh, all right, Yetis. Hey, what the hell? No washers? That's gay. That's it. They didn't give me any washers. You serious? Okay. These are Yetis. This is a flat face sticker. These are two other flat face stickers right here. But as you can see, there's no washers in here. That's so gay. Come on, my other wheels break, so I go in to get a different pair and I don't get any washers. Well, I guess that's my unboxing now.